You know, I wouldn't mind going to jail with you.
Okay.
If you and me both go to jail together, I think we'd have a good time. We play football and like.
You are saying that to a black dude, a jail joke. Okay, yeah. Hey, this is gonna be insane because the last visit that they had in India, the video blew up and I'm scared. KSI and Deji are in India. And I don't know what they're trying to sell this time. I don't know. Surprisingly, they have not revealed any product yet. मतलब जितने भी events मैंने अभी तक track किए so far. And I'm really happy कि इस बार भी last visit की तरह कुछ नहीं बदला. It's the same cringe glazing shit again. And I'm not a hater. I'm really glad that there were so many great influencers on stage to welcome KSI. ये क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे? अबे इस हिसाब से तुमने राजा गुजर को क्यों नहीं बुलाया?
A Negro's friendship is useless. They remain dirty.
Okay. But this time, fortunately, I am not gonna shit on KSI क्योंकि KSI रणवीर के पॉडकास्ट पे था.
I can do that.
We can just do that.
I feel like I'm gonna travel to Nigeria with you at some point.
Yeah.
When are you planning on going?
KSI बोलता है कि I'm gonna visit Nigeria anytime soon now. And रणवीर भाई बोलते हैं कि अरे it's very nice that we are visiting Nigeria together. Who's we? Who invited you? Shut the fuck up. Who asked you
When
to
you
join,
planning on
gang? And I knew then and there कि भाई अब होगी glazing masterclass from Ranveer. And Ranveer was doing backflips on that day, bhai.
You've got a beautiful voice. Like, I can hear that voice all day.
Stop.
From the screen to the ring.
Ranveer started glazing KSI on how his comebacks are really great. बहुत तगड़े comebacks कर रहे हैं KSI भाई आपने, and I appreciate that. Comebacks? कौन से comebacks? Fighting a bunch of kids on Twitter कि मेरे गाने ऐस नहीं है भाई. बच्चों से मुंह पिटवाया इसने Twitter पे. He beat Logan Paul in a fight. The fuck is this behavior KSI? And रणवीर भाई तू अपना cancellation याद कर भाई, तेरे को फांसी होने वाली थी over a damn joke. You had a greater comeback than him, gang. तूने मॉक डोज करी है भाई. I know रणवीर भाई कि आपके podcast का logo looks like a dickhead, but आपको वैसे act करना जरूरी थोड़ी ना है. मतलब it's not necessary. Was this specially made for KSI by the way? I like KSI. He's a chill dude. He's a chill unk like me. Now I'm 47. Turning 50 next month. But भाई being a YouTuber is not hard at all. जब देखो बैंड रोना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि मेरी लाइफ हार्ड है, YouTube is very stressful.
Yeah, I've been at the top of my career for a very, very long time, and it's hard, especially in this space that changes so quickly. To stay, on top, it's not easy. But
हाँ भाई, YouTube is hard. राजीव तलवार के लिए. राजीव तलवार एक हफ्ते तक जेल में सोया है over some stupid journalism. एंड बाहर आने के बाद बंदे ने पता क्या किया?
अगर आप सदर अस्पताल बगैर सरकारी अस्पताल को अच्छे से नहीं चलवा सकते तो लंडा विधायक
And now let's take a look at KSI's stressful YouTube life. हाँ तो भाई आपके लिए 20 लोंडियां तैयार कर दी, आप झुंड में से चुन लो. KSI along with you Ranveer are early movers. And जो एडवांटेज इस टाइम पे YouTube पे early movers के पास है ना, वो चीज खरीदी भी नहीं जा सकती. रणवीर पता नहीं भाई हर 2 मिनट में कौन सी लाइफ की पर्पस ढूंढनी स्टार्ट कर देता है भाई वीडियो के बीच में. He legit starts saying some deep shit that doesn't even make sense in the conversation.
There's this quote that goes, until death, all forms of defeat are psychological.
okay.
Comedy wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte.
Samurai mentality.
Whoa.
Gang, let me simplify your worth for you. तेरे पे उस टाइम कैमरा एंड इंटरनेट था जब मैं जमीन पे से मिट्टी उठा के खा रहा था. You started YouTube in that era where YouTube didn't even have tech to censor the N-word. Yeah. बिना censorship के अगर मैं वीडियो में चूक बोल दूं ना तो भाई मेरी वीडियो ना demonetize हो जाती है. And you are affirming the fact that YouTube is a struggle. Are you serious? Ranveer sir, the only struggle for you right now is to keep your mouth shut and pretend you're sucking a ghost dick maybe. Like do this while keeping your mouth shut. That's all you require. जितने भी early movers हैं ना भाई YouTube पे, they are prime ad revenue generators for YouTube. तुम कल को अगर YouTube HQ पे जाके धरना भी दे दोगे ना कि हमारी वीडियो पे व्यूज नहीं आ रहे, do some shit, YouTube will be obliged. No, it will be forced to confirm and complete your request because you are the prime ad revenue generators for YouTube. अगर तुम्हारी वीडियो पे व्यूज नहीं आ रहे तो किस पे आ रहे हैं, और अगर किसी पे नहीं आ रहे तो पैसे कहां से आएंगे? Humble yourself, bitch. You came from a gold mine, भाई, and you're sitting on a diamond pile right now. The way I see it. And ये सब भी ठीक है. What's with the sexual glaze?
The next time you feel lonely, we've always got Chris with
No,
you.
I know he's here all the time, bro. He's
ये बंदा इतना ज्यादा awkward हो गया ना by the end of the podcast कि हर 2 मिनट में he was saying some down bad shit to KSI. हाँ भाई, I get it for the 1000th time.
So much imagery I'm getting in my head about Chris and you, bro.
oh gosh.
भाई तू चुप हो जा भाई, तू प्लीज चुप हो जा.
Best thing about you is the comeback that you make every now and then. Like
Okay.
whenever, things are going down bad for you.
Yeah.
you have that mentality to just strike back.
Yeah, okay.
You know, I wouldn't mind going to jail with you.
Okay.
If you and me both go to jail together.
Brother, what do you mean you'd like to go to jail with him? तू इतना awkward कैसे है कि भाई तूने इस बंदे को awkward कर दिया? Just to fill up your knowledge a little bit, KSI shaved his pube back in prime YouTube era so that Filthy Frank and his friends can make a cake out of it and eat it. मतलब झांटिया if you don't know. I can bet my entire life on this रणवीर कि तेरे पूरे स्टूडियो को ये बात नहीं पता होगी, पूरे स्टूडियो को. And you call yourself a podcaster that gets all of his knowledge about people from Instagram and Twitter trends जो कि उनकी खुद की PR teams चला रही हैं. That's nice. That's nice. You're not a fan. You're a fake fan. अबे बकवास पेलना बंद कर भाई. अगर भाई KSI जैसे बंदे को तेरे को ये बोलना पड़ रहा है ना कि it's not that deep bro. You fucked up. You legit fucked up भाई. बंदा उससे बोलता कि do you enjoy pain a little bit?
You enjoy pain a little bit, man.
What? Where you go with this?
Seriously? इतने सारे मीठे रिमार्क्स मारने के बाद तेरे को यही फॉलो अप सेंटेंस मिला है? Seriously? Hey Grok, put KSI in a micro bikini please. And भाई अब तू सुन. तेरे से अगर मैं 1-on-1 बैठ के ये पूछूं ना कि KSI ने ऐसे कौन से महान कमबैक्स किए हैं, तेरा हलक सूख जाएगा. And I don't blame you. Even ChatGPT does not know. KSI के जीवन का पूरा कलेश was a product of his own creation. Let me explain. वो ना लोगन पॉल वाली फाइट, promotional controversy. वो ना KSI and Dylan Dennis की fight cancellation, deliberate pussy behavior. He even said it on podcast.
You lose, bro. What a waste of my time.
Prime controversy maybe, I don't know. Prime sucked ass on day one. उसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है. Chill का mood better by the way. I'll give you something. The only good comeback that KSI had was him losing weight because he came back from the shitter after taking a massive Ozempic shit. ऐसे वजन घटा उसका. इसके अलावा तू मेरे को एक बता दे. है ही नहीं. I can guarantee you है ही नहीं. And you fell for it. You fell for the stupid PR stunts and all. You just fell for it. And the stupid questions continued after this. So अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं कि भाई what would hurt more, breakup or cancellation attempt, तो तुम मेरे न्यूज़ अभी लीक करना पसंद करोगे या फिर मेरे 7 फेरों के टाइम पे? I mean, decide, because that's the only valid crash out after this question. Because the question is dumb, Ranveer bhai.
Does a bad breakup hurt more or does cancellation hurt?
I'm in the
What hurts more, breakup or cancellation? So सरल भाषा में ये बंदा ये पूछ रहा है कि hey, what would hurt more? कि on a random day 100 people are trying to cancel you, you're getting 500 less views on your videos and 20 plus more curse words in your comments, or your wife runs away, or your girlfriend runs away of 8 years by the way. It's a confirmation कि अगले हफ्ते आपकी औरत किसी और बंदे के साथ बॉक्सिंग मैच खेल रही हो while Andrew Tate successfully steals misfits from you.
Well, KSI tweeted something that annoyed me about 3 years ago. So, long story short, I took his company from him.
Which one will hurt more, KSI bhai? Which one? Bhai देखो, I have a hunch on why Deji and KSI visited India. I just have a hunch, and it might be true. You can judge on your own self. Deji ने अभी regular होना start कर दिया अपने YouTube पे, and अगर तुम उसका channel visit करो तो उसके footsteps are almost similar to Speed. China visit, उसके बाद India visit, and I know KSI is filthy rich now. He even said he does not care about money. He just loves India a lot. That's why he visited it.
For me, it's not. I don't do stuff for this. I've been offered.
Now I'll ignore the fact कि KSI ये बात फुकरा इंसान के साथ कोलैब करने के बाद रणवीर अलाहाबादिया के पॉडकास्ट पे बैठ के बोल रहा है. I'll just ignore all of it for now. I'll believe that it's not to attract the third world Chatu audience at all. It's not for that. But मैं ये ignore नहीं कर सकता कि Deji current point पे content के लिए, views के लिए and नई audience के लिए हाथ पैर नहीं मार रहा अपने चैनल पे. He is. It is pretty visible. I mean, this phase of his content plan is the world tour. It is pretty visible from his YouTube channel. भाई भारत के नागरिक की नीड्स पे भारत की सरकार नहीं मूतती बिना इलेक्शन नीड्स के. तुम तो फिर भी यूके से हो. यूके कॉलोनाइजर्स कई डेकेड्स तक इंडिया में गुलामी अगर याद हो तो जस्ट शट अप. ओके, जस्ट शट अप. एंड मेरे को भाई आती है अब रणवीर पे शर्म एंड तरस आता है ऑलमोस्ट रणवीर की वीडियोस देख के. भाई आई एम सॉरी टू से दिस बट तेरे KSI वाले पॉडकास्ट पे ना मेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल वीडियो ऑन हाउ देयर विजिट सक्ड लास्ट टाइम उससे कम व्यूज हैं. मेरी वीडियोस पे ज्यादा व्यूज हैं. व्हाट द फक इज रॉन्ग विद योर चैनल नाउ भाई? आई जस्ट शैट ऑन देम ट्राइंग टू सेल लंचली और प्राइम लास्ट टाइम एंड आई गॉट मोर व्यूज. व्हाट भाई, मैं 300-400 मॉन्स्टर को देने को तैयार हूं भाई. मैं नहीं दे रहा भाई प्राइम को पैसे. इट सक्स एस. मैं लुइस हैमिल्टन स्पेशल एडिशन मॉन्स्टर पी के वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूं इफ यू कैन नॉट टेल. एंड KSI भाई, अगर तुम इंडिया में मैक्स ऑडियंस रिटेंशन एंड न्यू ऑडियंस प्रोक्योरमेंट के लिए नहीं आए थे, then why would you collab with Malhan Brothers? Why? Top comment on the collaboration reveal on KSI Clips channel is this. I completely agree with that क्योंकि Malhan Brothers last time they were on stage they announced the Gamari fight version of Prime in India. Focus. फोकस मलान ब्रदर्स भाई, फोकस ऑन द एज ऑफ योर व्यूअर्स, क्योंकि बिक्री ना होने का कारण यही है। एंड रणवीर भाई देखो मेरी बात सुनो, ये ड्रामेबाजी छोड़ के गो बैक टू मेकिंग जादू टोना वाली वीडियोस, ठीक है? 1 मिलियन व्यूज ऑन दिस भाई, कम ऑन, क्या कहते हो?
Masochistic.
अबे यार अब ये माँ की गाली दे रहा है मेरे को। ओके जस्ट सब्सक्राइब, ओके बाय बाय।